You know why the plan to hire and use offshore developer team often fails, even though it's a very affordable option? It's not because the developers are not smart or they don't complete their work or they don't speak good English. It's because they don't want to understand the why behind your product, the product vision, the way you or your local team does. There's the classic communication and misalignment trend. It's all about the context. While you're thinking about sales and product market fit and your customers, your offshore developers are only focusing on completing their work or closing the ticket. That tiny gaps, it turns into miscommunication, resulting in frustration and slow growth. And that pushes a lot of founders giving up on hiring offshore developers and going back to hiring local people. Hey there, I'm Nasif. I'm the CEO of Success Technologies. We help global companies hire offshore developers without this communication and misalignment trap. Here are 5 things that you have learned after working with offshore developer teams for years. If you want to avoid this misalignment trap, you should put these strategies into place. Number 1, assigning a product or project manager. Always have this one person, at least, bridging gap between the business goal and daily task. Without this, your offshore developers will only understand what and they won't understand the why behind it. And that will create that gap I talked about a little while ago. Number 2, do a context-fast onboarding. What does it mean? It means after hiring offshore team, before you hand over them a list of big tasks, make them understand why you are doing this, who are your customers, what is your business goal. Alignment actually starts even before the first line of code. Number 3, use structured communication. I know that you love Slack, but the communication that you do on Slack, on those threads after threads after threads, all those turns into miscommunication pretty fast. So keep your communication timely and structured. Use calendar to book all of your meetings. Use Loom. Use Google Doc to structure all the policies and everything, so that there is no miscommunication because of time zone. Number 4, and this is one of my favorite ones, run shadowing session. What does it mean? When you and your PM actually trade off ideas and get some of your developers to see that meeting once in a while, so they would understand why you are making this decision, why you are putting those things into priority. That will really help them understand the why behind the decisions, and that will make them even better in some cases than the local things. Number 5, do over communication the first 30 days until you see your team is thinking like you. Send daily loans, ask for daily updates, do frequent sprint recap and meetings. Do this until you see that your team is thinking like you, so that you can trust them with your business vision. Then scale down the communication when the alignment is built. This 5 step will really transform how you work with your offshore team. Remember, people hire locally over offshore team not just because of better quality, mainly because of context and mainly because of alignment. If you can, bring that alignment with your offshore team without paying that 2x or 3x more, you'll win. Thank you very, very much for watching this video. If you have any questions about these 5 strategies, feel free to book a free session with me. I'll guide you through step by step on how you can, get the best out of your offshore team. Take care. Bye-bye.